Hey, so another one for eBay which I've looked out and we can give a little look over now is this Electrolux the Boss Bagless, which is actually alright. Got the famous back saver or back breaker handle, whatever you want to call it. Actually has retained all of its tools and they're all not destroyed, they're a bit minging. Yeah, not a bad little upright, is it? Little stumpy crevice tool, and the two wands that you have to figure out which end goes in which. Don't think there is a no, there's not a filter in there, so we might have to put something in there. Yes, I actually quite like it. I've used it in the garage a few times. It's got quite a decent brush roll on it. Belt feels okay as well, actually. I think it maybe at one point had a new Dyson belt on it, because they work in just about anything. Open this up. I think it has, yes, it's got lovely generic cut to fit filters in it, which are minging. I won't lie to you, but I've found some filters, so we're going to pop them in first. Oh yeah, that's grim. And then it's two compartment things. It's got some muck in it, isn't it? So yeah, been stored for a long time. I think it was 2020 I first got this. But it's been in storage mostly since then. But we shall indeed plug it in, because that's what you're all here for, you weirdos. And we'll see how this works. There are a couple of pieces of fluff on this carpet, so let's go. I think that was a Hoover or something with how well that did. Okay, it turns out it's actually not a horrendous vacuum cleaner, so there you go. But yes, it needs to go because I need space. So thanks very much for watching. Sad face.